My name is Tori with Keystone Industries, and today I'm here to talk about what it means to get your guard on with Proform custom fit mouth guards. As an athlete, there's a 45% chance of facial or dental injury throughout a lifetime involved in sports, and that's where a custom fit mouth guard comes into play. Proform aids in protecting the soft tissue around the mouth, it cushions the teeth from high impact, and it protects the jaw joint. Proform mouth guards provide top quality protection, retention, comfort, and fit without hindering speech or breathing during an athletic activity. It's also going to maintain its shape and protection long after other mouth guards have worn out. In case you didn't know, Proform has thinner mouth guard materials for younger athletes and extra pro laminates which are triple layered for high impact sports such as boxing or MMA. Want a mouth guard in a certain color? Well, Proform's options are virtually limitless, allowing you to mix and match any team color available. If you're interested in learning more about Proform mouth guards, contact a Keystone rep or visit KeystoneIndustries.com. Thanks for watching on this great day to be in the know.